Now we are inside Google Colab with our Hello World deep learning tutorial. So here we are trying to create a deep learning model where we can differentiate cats from dogs. First we need to change the runtime into GPU. So I can click runtime and then click change runtime type into GPU. So you can from here and click save. And then I can start running these scripts. So here you can see there are two types of blocks. We have a text block, so where I can write a documentation and other stuff. And here we have code blocks where we can run. Let's get started. Now I'm going to install FastAI, so which is the framework we are using for the deep learning. So I can click on this cell and shift enter. So first it will ask me to authorize this notebook because this is something available on public. So I have to authorize. I'll say okay, run anyway. So then it will start running my commands. Okay, now FastAI is installed. So then I can import. Alright, FastAI comes with some data sets. The one is called pets. That's what we're going to use today. So I can run this command and then it will download the dataset from the internet. So I can type impath.ls. So it will show me the directories inside this location. So here I'm only interested about this images directory. So let's try to ls again and try to see all the files. Okay, there are around like 7,000 files. Let's inspect some of them. I get the first one and try to print the file name and also the actual image. Okay, now we have a dog here. Right, let's try to list another one. Right, now we have a cat. So if we look at very closely about the file names, if this is a cat, the name starts with the capital letter like this. If this is dog, it starts with the simple letter. So that's what exactly we are doing next. So we define a function, can differentiate cats and dogs based on the file name. So let's create a function. It's a simple Python function. And then I can try with some images, exactly these two images. Right, so it's dog and cat and we're good. First one is a dog, other one is a cat. Now we are trying to create a definition for our data set. So we can use that inside our deep learning model. With FastAI, we are doing that with the data block API. So I can run this block and then I can load all the images by running this command. So basically we are interested about this images directory inside our path. Here, that's where all the images are. Right, let's wait for a second. Okay, now I can run show batch and try to see some of those images so I can inspect whether this data set is correctly labeled or not. This labeling is happen because of this function. It's up to you to define whether it's a cat or dog. You can say anything you want, so then it will show up here. Right, so then let's train our model. So first I have to create a CNN learner. I had to say fine tune 2 times. Okay, now our deep learning model is ready. So our accuracy is about 99%, and which is really good. Okay, so let's try to do some predictions. So I'm going to import something called IPy widgets. Here I can have an uploader. So let's try to find a cat image. Right, let's go to Google. All right, yeah, this one looks cute. So let's try to upload that image. And then I can get that image into a variable. So then I can show that. Right, and then let's try to predict. Yep, it's a cat. Here we have 2 numbers inside this tensor. The first one is very close to 1, other one is very close to 0. So let's try to upload a dog. Okay, upload. Load the image and try to predict. In this case, it's a dog. Then if you look in here, this number is close to 1, but here this number is close to 1. So that's how our prediction works. So then based on that, we can decide whether it's a cat or a dog. So that's it.